Hi guys, welcome to Auto Fix with Emmanuel. Today I want to show you now how to lose out this Toyota Prado radio, how to lose and come outside easily. First step, what you go do now, see, you go first disconnect the battery so that you go avoid any electrical issues. You understand me? The next step now to use your screwdriver or you use one plastic tool, take pry out this trim. It is very easy. You see how I did it? I made sure I did not get the dashboard damaged. And when you lose out this trim, you find out that it has 4 bolts that is holding this car radio. Take your 10mm spanner, then lose the 4 bolts out easily. After that, the next step is as easy as it is. Now these are the 4 bolts the radio has, 2 on the left hand side and 2 on the right hand side. It is very easy. So when you lose the 4 with your 10mm spanner, the next step where you go do now, say you go carefully shake am, make it come outside, because nothing dey hold am again. Wetin dey hold am for the back of this radio again na just clip. So as you can see, the way I dey lose the 4 bolts with my spanner, so I don't lose am finish now. Not to bring the radio come outside small, because for the back now no bolt hold am. Now only clip now you hold the radio. So take a good look at the way I'm bringing it out. Already the 4 bolt has been loosed, so, and that is it, is out. It's just as simple as it is. Now the next step to do is to unplug the socket. The socket has clips, so you reach out for your screwdriver. The middle of this socket, you press the lock, then lift it up. So you can see I want to make use of my screwdriver to pull it out. So okay, that is it. That is it. It is out. So there are 2 other clips at the other side of the radio, which you still make use of your screwdriver to pull them out. The white one here, then the other gray one, and there is one at the extreme end. You put it out. So it's very easy. Within 2-3 minutes your radio is out. So these are the steps I took to pull out a Toyota Prado car radio. This also works in some other Toyota Prados, so it's as easy as it is. And here comes our radio. Our radio is out, and these are the steps to take whenever you want to lose out your Toyota Prado car radio set. It is very easy. Within few minutes it's out. So this is how you can lose out your Toyota Prado car radio. If you have stayed to the end of this video, I really appreciate you comment, you like, and you share. Thanks for watching.